You're looking at an ultra rare 1956 GMC half-ton, big window, original V8 factory NAPCO truck. Those options usually aren't found together very often. This truck was restored back in the 80s, been owned by 2 owners only. And stored for most of the last 20 years. You can see that the paint, it's been repainted and the paint's coming off. Multiple layers of paint there, but only surface rust on most of this truck. You get to see how straight this body is and how nicely the doors fit. The wood in the bed is missing. It gives us a really good view of the frame and the bed rails. You can see that although there's surface rust, it's in very good condition. No structural rust that compromises the integrity of the frame. Again, very nice, straight body. Of course, there's that big back window for you. GMC distinctive cab lines. Look how tight those doors fit. You got the GMC chrome package there on the cab. A really beautiful truck with the distinctive GMC grille. The 100 series, meaning it's a half-ton. The GMC insert is available. It does come with the truck. It's just not installed right now. Chrome has some pitting and some surface rust, but it could easily be reused and redone. It's not too dented. So the windshield is cracked there, but the rest of the glass, besides this vent window, is in great shape. That back window doesn't have any cracks or otherwise any damages. Inside, you can see that the running boards are in fantastic condition, along with the hinges. Usually those are not in great condition and cause the doors to sag. These don't sag at all. You notice that there's some surface rust on the floor, but it's completely solid. It's not coming away. The GMC dash is intact. Only the gas gauge and the temperature gauge work, but everything else is original. That's your heater button there. Original steering wheel. Get some surface rust on the roof, but not too bad. It's your GMC speaker option. Four-wheel drive with the first year granny low. There's your four-wheel drive shifter. Original gas tank still behind the seat. Doesn't leak. Truck starts right up. Usually. There we go. What you've got here is the original V8, a Pontiac motor. Down from the distinctive water pump, an intake manifold. Running great. Hood shuts nice and straight. Lines are really good. Gaps are good. You've got some very minor rust spots back here on the cab corners, but are really minor compared to what we normally see in these trucks. Again, on this side, a little bit here, a little bit here. Some worn locking hubs and NAPCO system. NAPCO front axle. up and ready to go. The transfer case. Just surface rust on the frame and on the undercarriage. Really a nice specimen. Brakes have been redone. Again, this is a 1956 GMC half-ton, original V8, big back window, NAPCO, factory NAPCO truck. You won't see another one of these. Don't miss your chance.